Okay, this is Task Force in DC reporting on stories that the mainstream media and even alternative channels will not cover. So I thought I'd start this my YouTube journey here at the Supreme Court. And the reason I am starting it here is because this really is the bedrock of our democracy, the rule of law. You hear Trey Gowdy talk about it a lot in hearings, that the Lady Justice must be blind. She must not see color or race or creed or age or any of those things to apply justice fairly and equally. And it seems we have lost that in our country at this time, as you see all the different scandals that are going on. And it's if we don't have equal justice in the law, we really don't have a democracy. And this place, the Supreme Court, is supposed to represent that for the United States of America. And so I thought I'd start my journey here, take you guys up the steps a little bit as we walk up. A lot of people come and visit the Supreme Court. It's highly guarded. You can see a lot of tourists. It's back towards the Capitol. But as you get to the base of the stairs here, I will show you what the goal is. And this is all made of marble and beautiful etching. I'm going to walk you up the stairs here, because really this place means that every man, woman should be able to, in this country, as a citizen, should have the same rights to justice as everybody else, whether you're the President of the United States or you're homeless on the street somewhere. In the United States of America, justice should be equal and applied equally. So as you walk up these stairs to the great pillars, as you can see here, and you get to the front door, you can see all the various signs and symbols and iconography for justice in the Greek days and Roman days, and what they thought about justice in the Great Gold Door. If you walk way out here to the front, looking out on the people, if you go up to the very top of this, it will say equal justice under the law. The question is, do we have that here in the United States of America? I think a lot of people would probably say no. And so the question then is, how do we get that? Can we get that back? Can we, the people, get that back? And what do we want that to look like? What does our Constitution mean? Well, I'm going to start a little journey on the different things that have affected that Constitution, and why some people feel they're above the law and some people are treated like they're much lower than law, and how Lady Justice is not actually so blind after all. So this is where we're going to start.